Have you ever paused to ponder, what is it that makes us human? Where do our inherent abilities to think, to feel, to create, and to explore stem from? The answers to these profound questions lie in our evolutionary past, in the story of our becoming, a story that is as complex as it is fascinating. Our journey begins millions of years ago, in the heart of Africa. Here, our earliest ancestors, the hominids, first began to distinguish themselves from other primates. They developed tools, walked upright, and began to explore their world in ways no other species had done before. This was the dawn of the Homo genus, the group of species to which we, Homo sapiens, belong. As time passed, our ancestors grew more sophisticated. They learned to control fire, a feat that not only provided warmth and protection, but also allowed them to cook their food, making it easier to digest and freeing up energy for the development of larger brains. Then, around 2 million years ago, a new species emerged, Homo erectus. These early humans were the first to leave Africa, venturing into Asia and Europe in search of new habitats. This was the beginning of our journey as a global species. Fast forward to around 500,000 years ago, and we find another crucial development in our story: the emergence of language. With language came the ability to share complex ideas, to plan for the future, and to forge stronger social bonds. This was a turning point in our evolution, setting the stage for the rise of modern humans. And then, around 200,000 years ago, the first Homo sapiens appeared. We were smarter, more creative, and more adaptable than any species that had come before. We invented art, religion, and science. We learned to farm, build cities, and write. And we began to ask questions about ourselves and our place in the universe. So, as we trace our path from the heart of Africa to the farthest corners of the globe, we find the answers to our initial questions. Our ability to think, to feel, to create, and to explore springs from our evolutionary past. It is the result of millions of years of adaptation and change, of trial and error, of survival and success. Our journey is far from over. As we continue to evolve and adapt, we carry with us the legacy of our ancestors, the inventiveness of Homo habilis, the curiosity of Homo erectus, the linguistic skills of early Homo sapiens. These traits, honed over millions of years, are what make us uniquely human. So the next time you ponder about our origins, remember this: we are not just the product of our past, but also the architects of our future. From the heart of the beast springs our zest, from the searching eye, our sight, from the sound in the bushes, our hearing, and from our dark past, our present. We are, in every sense, a work in progress, a story of evolution still being written.